Welcome to this last episode, where we'll explore the final page of the COVID-19 dashboard. This page features the combined impacts of the previous 3 pages, which include statistics related to the number of confirmed cases and deaths, as well as travel and economic impacts. The number of new daily confirmed cases is shown by the light red bars in this chart. The daily death toll is featured by the dark red bars. The chart also features the number of daily flights, stock market indices, and intra-city travel as a percentage of normal levels. Unemployment rates are also featured. However, this number is usually reported monthly, and data is only captured up to the month of March. We can see here that as the number of daily confirmed cases starts to rise within the month of March, there is a corresponding fall in the number of daily flights, intra-city movement, as well as share market indices. Unemployment rates have also consequently risen from an average of 4.5 to 6%. Although, as we enter into April and COVID-19 cases start to level off, we're seeing the global share market make a slow recovery, and the number of flights and intra-city traffic start to level out as well. You can vary the dates viewed in this chart using the date slider, or focus on specific countries. Select the data you'd like to view in this bottom slicer. Finally, a tally of the daily confirmed cases and deaths is shown in this table here.